In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or disconnecting issue with Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, it can be frustrating, but there are also several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. The first thing you can do is you can ensure that the router is placed in a center location and away from obstructions like wall, metal object, or other electronic devices that may interfere with the signal as well. Apart from it, you can also sometimes simply restarting your router and modem can resolve connectivity issue. Unplug them from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in as well. And you need to check if there are any firmware update available to your router, and if there is, then you need to install them if necessary and update the firmware. Now make sure that your Wi-Fi settings can configure correctly. You can also check for any incorrect settings such as network like SSID, password, or security type as well. Now if you live in an area with many Wi-Fi network nearby, there may be interference access with your router settings, and for that you can try changing the Wi-Fi channel to a less crowded one, and that might be able to fix it. Apart from it, if you're experiencing Wi-Fi disconnecting on your computer, ensure that your network adapter drives are up to date, and you can usually download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. If nothing seems to be working out, there's no other way to contact the internet service provider or the customer support team and state about the issue. So by following this step, you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue of your Wi-Fi disconnecting. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.